Hello everybody, it's the whole universe. Hope everything is fine, and I'm a Russian man who brings forward my own experience and just a bridge to the Disneyland of Russia. Kind of it is Disneyland, but not, okay, it is another name for it. It is the Dream Island, and some of you already familiar with it. And I am already familiar with some states of America. Hello Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin, Washington, North Dakota, South Dakota, also North Carolina, South Carolina, Colorado, Arizona, and other states of America. Will speak them so loud because you understand sometimes when you call this in Russian, because it is kind of, I don't know, but it's okay, I can call it Washington. We have Washington DC, actually District of Columbia, also we have New York, New Jersey, and Wisconsin, yes, and Wyoming, and Idaho, Iowa, and others. We will name them today more. Georgia also, and Utah, and Ohio, and also others. And I learned a little bit in California too. And we are stepping down. And actually we will go there. What will I do there? I will do the learning of the consultancy. I mean that I will be on the consultancy with my teacher and with our group of people who are students, and we will do the teacher will speak to us consultancy, kind of will ask questions, she will answer to them, and I can prepare questions right now with you to this consultancy time. It will be 1 hour of consultancy actually, and we are going there. It is actually the Dream Island, and it will be actually good. And about consultancy, we have the 1 hour. I kind of feel shy because of people are around. Okay, and okay, around. I even said around. Yes, and we have today almost a full moon, almost, but not fully, and it is kind of 80% of loading, and it is the beginning of it. Somebody said some words. It was the one girl was kind of lifted up, and some music is here, and some preparations for something, and it is maybe for the it will be closing because they are preparing some wooden places, some wooden pieces, and they will cover it. And consultancy will be about practices that we have right now. We do pedagogy, we do teaching of the first year students in high school. It means in not high school, even in the university bachelor's degree for the first and second courses, and also for third and fourth too, because sometimes they exist, yes. And I will do the lecture for the people of 5th course. It will be for specialitet. Specialitet, it is one of the way how you can graduate from university. It is specialitet, it is 5 years of study, and also have bachelor's degree, it's 4 years of study, and also then it will be master's degree. And look at this, it is the coverage that they do on the ground, yes. And I counted some days ago, I was there, and I counted how many pieces of, like, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. Yes, you maybe noticed some of them. How many pieces of them actually located there? It is 30. I counted them. It is 30 pieces of them actually. True. I counted twice, even maybe 3 times, because sometimes I was kind of, maybe I counted incorrect, but then I started to count again and again and again. And it was 3 times, I think, that I counted them. And about the consultancy, it will be about what should we do if they ask specific questions. Our students will ask something, and what should we do if they will do this? What should we do if they do this? Actually, it is frequently asked questions will be, and for our teacher. And I will ask, I think, question more about how to do the specific kind of thesis after it, kind of official statements that we need to do, because about how to deal with specific questions we all know, sometimes, because the more experience you have, the more you understand how it works actually, because I did it already for another ages actually, but ages, people are all children, I think so, and all the adults, actually we are all kind of the same in psychology way, ish, okay, because all the same it is about the human sciences. If 95 to 80% is the same, then it is, we can call it all. So we are here, and we are placing some. We needed to check our temperature, and also we needed to check our backs. Backs are all right, I think so. At least they didn't say anything. And in humanitarian sciences, you can say that it is kind of for each works, for each statement. If it works for 80 to 95%, sometimes 98, it is a good result, because we are kind of the same but with some variations. People are kind of they are different actually, but we are almost the same. We have the same kind of, we have pairs of our arms, pairs of arms, hands, also forearms and elbows, and we have the same, but the sizes of them, they are different. The different types of DNA, and actually generation, it is different. Sometimes we have the difference in generation, like two generations between you and somebody else. For example, you are, okay, first generation is still 20, then it will be a new generation, 2 generations, it means you are a grandparent. You are a grandparent, and you have 2 generations between. You have, or one moment, between, you are grandparent. You are grandparent, then you have between your grandchild 2 generations. You have your son, and you have the, if we count it, okay? Yeah, we have the son, and also have, for example, you have a son or the daughter, and also you have the grandchild, daughter, or grandchild's son, yes, and you have then new generation, and between them kind of it is 0, 1, 2, 3, yes, and it is you are kind of 0 generation. Okay, we'll count from first, because it is from 0 counting only developers. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and between 1 and 4 you have 2 and 3, and in many of this. But actually, if we will measure the distance between 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 3 and 4, then it will be 4. Oh, sorry, 3 guys. It is the same as, I will show right now. I have an idea. Look at this. We have one pillar, we have the window between, we have one pillar, we have one pillar, we have one pillar, yes? And it is kind of, imagine that it is a window, yes? Kind of the space here, yes? And it is the column, the pillar. And we have the space here, here, here. Actually, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And between them we have the distance. Distance number 1, distance number 2, distance number 3. It is kind of to understand it. But actually, if we'll count only pillars, then it will be 2. It all depends how we count, yes? And sometimes we can say that 2 generations between us, and sometimes we can say that 3 generations between us. It all depends on how we call what is between us. Yes, it is how we call it. And somebody will say it that the distances between generations, and somebody will say that actually the generations. How many generations between us, and how many distances of between generations between us. Okay? Kind of need to speak it well, better in English, and then I hope that you understand. I hope that you already understand what I was speaking. So, I was there, and you was there. By the way, it is the bookstore. Actually, it is called Книжный лабиринт. How we translate it? Books maze, books labyrinth. We are here. And actually, why do I go there? Because there it is the nearest mall near the Podolsk, my city where I live. It is the nearest place when I can sit down actually and feel the power of Moscow, power and kind of aesthetics, feel it. And because this nearest mall, good mall near the Podolsk in Moscow district, in Moscow, I want to say that near the Moscow. Then we have one more mall. It will be kind of 30-35 minutes plus need to go there, and we'll find it. And here is a good here we can find good Wi-Fi, by the way. And sometimes I'm on a lecture, because right now we have lockdown lectures. They are mostly with the distance education. It is actually, we have pros and cons for each of them, advantages and disadvantages. Actually, I want to focus always on advantages, because sometimes it is better. It is better because it is more prolific, I think so, more productive, more effective in our way. But sometimes need to think about disadvantages too. But actually focus on advantages. And what's the advantages? That you can go to the lecture from any place. And what's the advantages of the sitting inside of the auditorium? It is feeling that you are near the people. Actually, it is kind of biochemistry. If we will speak in scientific way, yes, we understand that maybe we have souls of people, yes, and because science cannot say that do we have soul or not. But in the meaning of that, yes, maybe we have souls and connections between us. But actually, in the meaning of the biochemistry, we have something like air of different pheromones of each other, and we feel it, and energy, we feel it in the meaning of electricity that goes in this room. And I prefer more places like this. Actually, I like the classroom because it is also some of we have reflection, we have neurons of reflection inside of our head. It is actually empathy, what we call empathy in the meaning of science. And in the meaning of science, empathy, it is when we can see someone and we can stimulate our brain cells and to repeat it inside of our hand the same and feel the same things that this person feels. And it is the empathy in scientific way. Actually, in our way, empathy, it is a good thing, and it is a good soul, and something like this. Actually, people, I want to say that majority of people in our world, they like they like normal descriptions of things, normal in the meaning of non-scientific or with easy, super mega understandable way. Majority of people, like 95+%, they prefer this. But actually, what people like when their statements that they own said, like, for example, they created inside of their mind and they found something like scientific proof for it. They like it because it is kind of, oh, I'm stronger. Yes, I have the proof for my words, and I know that it is scientifically correct and something like this. But actually, people don't like the majority of people. They prefer. I will use the word prefer because don't like it is again another way of speaking, and they prefer the kind of easy talk, 250 words, and that's all, and vocabulary of this way. They prefer kind of this talk, and I understand why, because it is easier. It is kind of more energy around this world, because the more you repeat the same words, the more you have power of these words. It's true, kind of in a psychological way, because you have easier. You have your mind don't need to think about what need to do if you speak the same words all over again. He does it fastly, and he spends less energy. He uses less energy for it. But actually, we are for the new. So we are here and for the lecture. So I will go to the food court right now, to the upper side, and I will sit down there. So thank you a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, okay, about question that we should ask. About states. Okay, North Dakota, South Carolina, North Carolina, Colorado, Arizona, Washington, Georgia, Utah, Ohio, Arizona. I said that already, okay? And New Mexico, New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, also Florida, Connecticut, Delaware, Maryland, Maine, Nebraska, Nevada, and California, and other states, and also Illinois, Minnesota, Missouri, Mississippi, and also Montana. And we have them, and also Washington, Michigan, and Oregon, and I think that Virginia, West Virginia, Country Mama Take Me Home, and Alabama, Sweet Home Alabama, everybody, and Alabama also have, and I think that's kind of need to count them inside of my head. Actually, we called most of them, I think so, 25 plus at least, I think so. And it was good to count them and to name them. It was nice to learn states. The next step will be for learning some cities. Yes, and they are located inside of the specific states. Baltimore, it is Massachusetts. Baltimore, it is inside of the Maryland, I think so. Yes, or Delaware. I think that it is for the Maryland. Need to Google it. Also, New York City inside of the New York. Also, we have Los Angeles, it is inside of the California. Also we have the Dallas, Houston inside of the Texas, on side of Texas, and others. Okay, I have lecture right now. Some questions for the lecture I will create right now inside my head to ask. Actually, it will be about the how to do properly some of the regulations. So, see you next time in Personal Daily. Go forward. Bye!